Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can enhance your voice on CapCut mobile. So you're just going to select your audio here. I'm just going to try to use this so I can show you what I'm pointing at. Then down here you're just going to scroll it to the right, and as you can see there is an enhanced voice kind of situation here. Now this is a pro feature, I'm just going to tell you that right now. You're just going to then select it, and then you're going to select this button here, and you're just going to enable the enhanced voice. Oh, I should probably tell you what it sounds like before. So this is the before. Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. This is just me testing. So yeah, that isn't really loud. Okay. Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. This is just me testing. And this is the after. Once I've selected it, you can also adjust the noise cleanup to 100%. So it denoises any background noises that you have. And I don't know what's taking a long time, but that should be it. You can just adjust it yourself. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.